So it's a good social skill. It would, if you didn't know how to do it, we'd have to teach you. You could have somebody who's like really socially frightened, has social anxiety really bad, and they don't know how to nod and do this kind of thing, right? So you guys are all skilled at it, that's good. But are we free within it? Can I be authentic with this person without having to perform? That's what we're looking at. I want to be with a person that I can be totally myself with. And I want him to be totally himself. I don't want him to ever have to perform. I don't want to have to perform anymore. We have to perform at work. Okay, that's what we get paid for. But when we're looking for our true love, we want to be able to be authentic and give an authentic response. Most of us could use some practice in being authentic. So here's a safe space to practice being authentic. It's offered to you. It's offered to you. What is it like to meet other people and be authentic? The dating world that I was in was thriving on inauthenticity, and that's not what I was looking for. Thriving on inauthenticity. First of all, you have to lie about your age to even get anybody to contact you, right? What does age have to do with dating anyway? Why do you have to put your age in to be on a dating site? And then you have to choose your pictures carefully because you wouldn't want to look like yourself. And then you have to hire someone to write a great profile for you because they're services, because you don't know how to write a freaking profile. So it thrives on inauthenticity. So we just come together tonight to practice a little authenticity. It's hard. We're not used to it. We just try it in a dating situation with our practice partners.